This is a simple exercise you can do to improve your writing skills in German. German is a very relatively complicated language, at least compared to English. Grammar is complicated. Spelling can be tricky when you're a beginner, but then it's pretty straightforward. But grammar is much more complicated than English. So you will need to do a lot of practice, and you will need a lot of feedback because you will keep making mistakes with the Adidas and all of that. So what I recommend you do is this: just write more in German with feedback. So the good news is that you don't need anyone to correct your German at this point. You've got AI, you've got things like DeepL here. You could do this with ChatGPT or something else as well, but this works really well. You just for this kind of exercise, I recommend you use this because you just get corrected in real time and it works really well. So basically, you have to write here. Uh, you do maybe like 5 to 10 hours, 5 to 10 minutes a day of this exercise a day should be enough if you do it regularly. Uh, you write here and you get corrected. Ja, you should write here. Du solltest hier jeden Tag ein bisschen schreiben, damit du besser auf Deutsch schreiben kannst. Um zu lernen. So you write for a while and you look at the translation, no, not the translation, the correction, at the feedback, and you manually, and this is important, correct your mistakes. You learn by getting corrected, right? So solltest hier jeden Tag ein bisschen schreiben, blah, blah, blah. And it's then you get different options as well. But okay, if your word order and the sentence structure is a mess, maybe then you get to use it. But this was already pretty good. But let's say you make a complete mess. No, I have to think of a wrong sentence in German, which is not easy. Um, let's see. So yeah, this is wrong German. Work. Yeah, I work. I work many hours at home every day, and it will change the sentence structure because aber ich arbeite an. Oh, this is completely wrong. Um, so it just got rid of the well because no need to repeat the verb here, right? But you could also have it like this. Aber ich arbeite nicht am Wochenende. So what I did was write this wrong. Verb not conjugated, verb in the wrong order. So then it gets corrected. And what you should do is either copy this by hand somewhere, pen and paper, or you simply start correcting. Okay, ich arbeite jeden Tag. Yeah, you copy this somewhere, or you just if the sentence structure is all messed up, then it's going to be harder. But you just correct the mistakes by hand normally. That's it. So ich arbeite jeden Tag zu Hause because when goes before where. Uh, ja, viele Stunden zu Hause. aber komme aber nicht am Wochenende, aber arbeite nicht Wochenende. And you just do this with as much as you want. You could do this for hours if you want. It's boring. So the most fun thing to do, but it's very effective. As long as you check the answers and you look at the feedback. Again, feedback is the part that makes this work. You just write and then copy and paste the right answer somewhere. Like you want to comment in German and you do this, and okay, your comments will be correct in German, but you will not learn anything by doing that, or very little. But if you make the mistakes and look and check where you made the mistakes, then yeah, you slowly improve. Getting accurate with the language, especially learning to write well, all of this will help you speak better as well. It takes time and takes feedback. A lot of More than time, it just a lot of feedback, a lot of error correction. So if you want to improve really fast, you should do a lot of this. Just write, get corrected, write, get corrected. It's active recall, right?